Hey everyone, how's everyone doing today? I'm here to tell you a little bit about something I actually got as a Christmas gift yesterday. I am obsessed with candles, especially ones that are long lasting and smell really nice. So this is a White Barn candle from my brother. I have had several White Barn candles in the past, and they always really fill the room with a long lasting scent, and they come in so many different varieties, which is awesome. So this is White Barn Champagne Toast. It literally smells just like champagne, but like also a little bit floral. It's delicious smelling. So there's the top that you guys can see. It's like an aluminum silver top. I'm gonna open this so you guys could see. So this is White Barn Champagne Toast scented candle. It's really nice. I'm just showing you guys what it looks like. It's like a little bit of like an off-white, and then I feel like the container that it's in looks like a nice like light pale pink. I think this is so nice to have burning like on your wedding day or engagement party or something like that, you know, because like, or anything celebratory, since it is called champagne toast, and usually you have a champagne toast during something celebratory or with New Year's Eve coming up. So New Year's Eve, I'll definitely have this burning. So I want to show you guys on the back. Okay, so White Barn Champagne Toast Scented Candle. The fragrance notes are bubbly champagne, sparkling berries, and juicy tangerine. Has high concentrations of rich fragrance oils that deliver room-filling fragrance. Our patented soy blend wax is formulated to provide the best fragrance experience. Created with premium lead-free wicks, 100% crafted with you in mind, 100% satisfaction guaranteed, burns approximately 25 to 45 hours. Warning: to prevent fire and serious injury, burn candle within sight. Never burn a candle on or near anything that can catch fire. Keep out of reach of children and pets. Trim wicks to 1/4 inch before relighting. Keep all objects, including matches and wick trimmings, out of the candle. Do not burn candle for more than 3 to 4 hours at a time. Don't extinguish with water. Allow to cool before relighting. Keep out of drafts. There's the barcode number on the back. Please recycle the empty glass. So it's this is recyclable. And something, just so you know, something a little creative I do with candles. Sometimes if you want, like, you know, you could scoop out the candle part and then reuse the glass and put like lights in it and like paint it or something and use it as a decoration. That's always like an option too for you guys that want to get creative. So this is by White Barn Distributors, 95 West Main Street, New Albany, Ohio, 43054, shopbathandbodyworks.com. There's the number you could call. So this White Barn is actually, I don't know if I guess it's owned by Bath & Body Works or they just sell it at their store. I'm not really 100% sure, but Bath & Body Works, which if you watch my other videos, I'm obsessed with because I love all their candles and like their nice smelling things. So they sell these at Bath & Body Works, so I guess the companies have something to do with each other. So if you love Bath & Body Works candles, you're gonna love this too. And the way my husband like tells me to never blow out the candle, so it's 3 wicks, by the way. He always just like puts the top on like this to put it out because he doesn't like the way that the burning smells. I happen to like the way the burning smell smells. I think it smells nice, like when you blow out the candle. So I don't like putting the top on because I think it makes like the edges brown and it like makes it dirty. It's like looking. So that's just my personal preference. I like it to just blow my candle out rather than put the top on, but whatever works for you. So this smells wonderful. So I recommend this for someone as a gift for someone that's maybe getting married, just got a new job, just got a new house, anything celebratory, so that, you know, you could have the champagne toast, even a wedding as well. And then of course with New Year's coming up. So you go into a New Year's party, you want to bring a little something, bring some bubbly and bring the champagne toast candle. It smells amazing and it's not even lit and it's like filling this area that I'm sitting in right now with a wonderful scent. So I hope you guys found the video useful and I thank you so much for watching. Hope everyone tries out White Barn Champagne Toast scented candle. Have a good one, guys.